So this is LeetCode 70, Climbing Stairs. It's a LeetCode Easy. It was in the dynamic programming section of the top 100 liked. So here we're climbing a staircase, and it takes n steps to reach the top, and each time we can either climb 1 or 2 steps. So it's basically asking us how many distinct ways we can climb to the top. So to do this, there's actually just a pattern that you can see, but to walk through, basically, if you have one step, you can only make one move. So one step equals one move. If you have 2 steps, now you can do 2 moves. Now here, if you have 3 steps, you can do 3 moves. Then if you have 4 steps, you can actually do 5 moves. And this is a pattern this is actually the Fibonacci sequence, which is basically once you realize that this problem is just asking you to do the Fibonacci sequence, it's pretty easy. So basically, that says that whichever number you have, so if you start with 1 and then you go to 2, the next number is going to be both of these ones added to each other. So this will be 1 plus 2, which is 3. Now the next one will be 2 plus 3, which is 5. Then the next one will be 3 plus 5, which is 8, and so on. So that's the sequence that this question is actually asking you. So to solve this, you're going to want to have 2 variables. First variable, and that'll just be for the 1, and then the second will be the second number. And the base case will be if n is less than or equal to 2, we're going to return n. And then we're just going to do a for loop. But here we're going to want to do n minus 1 because we've already checked one of these. So, and we have 2 pointers. So we're going to do n minus 1, and then then we're actually going to need another variable to check what our current is currently at. So from here, we're basically just looping through all those scenarios for each step, basically. So this is for 1 step, and the second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step, and we're just going to do the Fibonacci number for each step. So here we're just going to say temp cur equals cur, and we're going to say the new current value is going to be the last one plus the current one. So that'll be first plus the cur. And then you're just going to want to set the first one to the one afterwards, which is temp cur. And at the end, just return temp cur. Oh, there it is. And that's the answer. The runtime is very quick. Memory doesn't matter because they're all basically the same.